Hi, in this video I will show you how to install Magic Redirect in 3 easy steps. The first step is to upload the files. Next we need to set up the database, and finally we need to set up the script. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes. The first step is to upload the files to your server. You can use FTP program if you're comfortable with that, or you can use the method I'm going to show you here. I will use the file manager in my cPanel. So log into your cPanel, scroll down and find the file manager. It's right here. Click it and open up your domain, the domain you want to install Magic Redirect on. As you can see on my domain, here I only have one folder, and that's my blog folder. I will get more into that later. So what you will do here is you want to upload the file. So click the upload button here, choose a file, and then select the file that you have downloaded, the Magic Redirect.zip. Double click that, and it's starting to upload right now. So now we can go back here to the file manager, click the reload, and we can see that the Magic Redirect.zip has been uploaded to our server. Now we need to extract those files, so the way to do this is to select it, click the extract icon up here, and then just delete everything down in the path, click extract files, and now all the files are extracted. Let's just click the reload button here, and as you can see, all the files are extracted. So that's the first step. The next step is to create a database that Magic Redirect can use and store data in. So again, in your cPanel, scroll down, find the databases section here, click on the MySQL databases. Create a new database and call it Redirect, like this. Create database, and the database is created. The next thing we need to do, we need to add a user to the database. So you can create a new user here. Just select the username. I'm gonna name mine Redirect. It can only be 7 characters, so just Redirect, and then I'm gonna create a password, and just for tutorial purposes I'll just create a password named password. So hit create user and added user Redirect with the password. Note, you can name the user whatever you want, but I don't recommend that you use the same password that you're using to access your cPanel, and this is merely for security reasons. So finally we need to add the user to the database. So I'm going to find my user here, Redirect, and the database is the database I just created before, which were called Redirect. Click add, and now select all privileges, make changes, and the user now have access to the database. Go back. So the third and final step is to set up the script. And to do this, go to your domain, the domain that you have installed the files on, and if we hit enter now, there will come this error message, and this is because the script hasn't been configured yet. So make a /, enter setup.php, This is the setup file. The password is the password you were given when you got the script. And apparently I cannot spell. There we go. So this is the setup, and the first thing you need to enter is host. And in most cases, I would say like 99 out of 100 times, you won't have to change this. The only time you would need to change the host is if your database is located on an external server. So if you have your domains with one host and your database with another. This is very rare, so if you have no idea what I'm talking about, just leave this. The database name. The database name is redirect, but you'd need to put your username before that, so it would look like this: your username underscore redirect. The database username, again, use your cPanel username, and the same with the database name, it's the cPanel username underscore redirect, and the database username is your cPanel username underscore and then the username you created for the database. And in my case it was redirect. The password for the database, in my case it was just password, your blog articles URL. This is the URL you want to use if the script cannot find a keyword and a URL in your database, or if everything else goes wrong. So in my case, this is my redirect domain / blog, and this is simply where I put the articles I have written for ECN articles and stuff like that. I just paste it here, and then you need to create an admin area password. This is the password you will use when you are logging into the admin area to make changes in the URLs and keywords and stuff like that. I'm just gonna leave this with password for now, but obviously you would choose something else. Click continue, and the script is configured. And in the next video I will tell you how to use the script, even though it's pretty straightforward. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.